I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if your channel has enough topic depth to justify building a real production system? The short answer is this. Build the system when your topic behaves like a library, not a guessing game. Here's the test I use. First, can your topic family split into at least 3 clear content pillars? For example, if you're in YouTube automation basics, that could be niches, workflow, and monetization. Second, can each pillar produce at least 10 distinct video angles without repeating yourself, not just title variations? I mean genuinely different viewer questions, mistakes, comparisons, case breakdowns, and step-by-step tutorials. Third, can those angles be turned into repeatable production inputs? Same research sources, similar script structure, similar edit style, similar thumbnail logic. That's the part people miss. Topic depth is only useful if it creates operational consistency. So the decision rule is simple. If one topic family gives you 30 to 50 real video ideas and they can run through a similar production path, then a system makes sense. If every upload still feels invented from scratch, you're not ready yet. Once you can map that depth clearly, Satura becomes useful as the workflow layer to organize research, scripting, and production without rebuilding the process every week. Depth before speed. That's when you build the machine.